Polyester. Green is good. At Wolf Manufacturing, we strive to preserve our planet for the next generation of travelers. By using recycled fibers for our neck pillow filling and minimal packaging that's made from 100% recycled paper, we can help play our part in protecting the environment. Premium comfort. Our luxurious crystal fleece neck pillow cover and feather soft fiber filling will keep you cozy no matter where your travels take you. Unlike micro beads, our fiber-filled travel neck pillow offers support that will keep your head, neck, and shoulders from feeling fatigued. Adventure-proof. Traveling can get messy, no worries here. Our pillows are durable and easy to clean. Just toss in the wash, yes, the whole thing. No more sniffles. We use hypoallergenic materials for the shell and filling on our pillows to ensure you don't have to worry about allergens that a traditional down-filled pillow can harbor. Trusted brand. A Texas trusted brand and manufacturer since 1946. Versatile. From Netflix to Nova Scotia, take with you anywhere for improved travel and even better naps. Snap closure. No more struggling to keep up with your pillow. Conveniently snap it around anything you find convenient and travel on. World's best signature travel pillow offers superior neck support and ultra plush comfort. Filled with feather soft microfiber, this pillow offers a hypoallergenic and machine washable alternative to down-filled pillows. Perfect for travel, lounging at home, or therapeutic neck support. Environmentally friendly fill and packaging. World's best. Your first-class comfort experience. Top reviews from the United States. Piercing aftercare pillow. So let me start it by saying, this pillow wasn't purchased for traveling, however it is absolutely perfect for what I intended to use it for. I am constantly piercing my ears, and usually I don't have any problem sleeping on my piercings, but recently one got so infected it was impossible to sleep on it, even if I wanted to. So I looked up ideas and I found this travel pillow that was really well rated. It was delivered yesterday and I used it for the first time last night, and let me tell you, it saved my sleep piercing. I woke up today in no discomfort, so much less swelling. Instead of using it around your neck, you just place it flat and put your ear in the empty space in the middle. My friend was making fun of me when I was explaining it and commented on how he thought it would be uncomfortable, but tried it himself and fell asleep in 5 minutes. Tears of joy. If you are someone who gets pierced frequently or has trouble with sleeping on their jewelry, please get this pillow, it's such a game changer. I wish I had one when I got my industrial done.